Nothing beats homemade Italian, and if you're in downtown Sand Springs, Napoli's is where you want to stop. Everything here is made from scratch, including that bread.
As far as hospitality, good food, this is the place to be.
Sharon Melton has been in every week for the past 3 weeks. The food is that good.
It is that good.
They have a variety of authentic Italian dishes here, like chicken, seafood, pizza, pasta, and sandwiches, all with a hearty helping.
I like the Cecilino chicken with lemon and capers and artichoke.
Bessemer Marifi and his brother Beckham opened up their Sand Springs restaurant in 2008. It's inside the town's old trolley station. In fact, the original tin ceiling, phone booth, and waiting room door are still here. One of the dining areas was even made to resemble the inside of a trolley car.
The atmosphere is really open, is a lot of energy, a lot of people come casual.
The Arifi brothers grew up in the restaurant business, and much of the menu comes from their family cookbook.
Some of that is an old recipe from different places that we've been with family.
Other dishes are simply modern-day creations from the restaurant's kitchen. All of it homemade.
Everything is made from scratch.
Right down to the salad dressings.
We make our own sauces. We make our own lasagnas and own dough. We make our own bread. And
oh boy, that bread. It's hot, fresh, and oh so good.
It is very fresh and it's very good.
Janet Goodman has been in to dine a few times. Her favorite is the pasta sampler. Today she's trying the pizza and went with a good old classic pepperoni. Janet says no matter what you order, you'll find out this corner spot is a tasty piece of Italy with an Oklahoma hometown feel. Everything's home cooked back there too.
Yes, it is.
Can you tell that?
Absolutely.
Everything is good. Everything is good. We've not had anything that was not a good dish, and the people are wonderful.
At Napoli's Italian in downtown Sand Springs, I'm Jason Grubbs for Discover Oklahoma.